Creating animated people is easy with the Anima tool. It's designed to help you quickly populate your scene with animated characters. To get started, click the Anima Crowd button in the upper toolbar and draw a path which the characters will follow. Press Done when you are ready. Once selected, you can customize it further. You can adjust the thickness, make it closed or filled, and change the interpolation type. By clicking the Edit button at the bottom, you can reposition the points to get the shape you want. To apply the changes, press Done. When you're happy with the path, select the Anima Crowd folder. Set the number of people you'd like to add, then click Generate. In the Base and Advanced panels, you have settings that allow you to adjust the crowd simulation further. When you select an individual character, you get access to more settings. For example, you can adjust their color variation, change the motion phase, or speed. You can fine-tune each character's position along the spline and even reverse their direction. Press play to preview the animation.